top 10 affordable kitchen gadgets under $20 on Amazon. In today's fast-paced world, having the right kitchen gadgets can make all the difference in preparing meals efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, these tools will not only save you time, but also enhance your cooking experience. Best of all, they are all available on Amazon for under $20. From choppers to thermometers, we've rounded up 10 budget-friendly kitchen gadgets that will elevate your culinary game. Number 1. Vegetable chopper. A multifunctional chopper that slices, dices, and spiralizes vegetables, perfect for cutting down prep time. Number 2. Kitchen clip on strainer. A space-saving silicone strainer that clips directly to pots or bowls for easy draining. This clip-on strainer is made with 2 sturdy clips to hold the silicone strainer on the pan. The clever design makes this strainer universally adaptable to all bowls and pans. Number 3. Digital meat thermometer. An instant red thermometer with a backlit display for quickly checking food temperatures. The meat thermometer's probe head measures only 1.7 millimeters in diameter, making it easy to introduce it into meats. Keeping it in food for 2 to 4 seconds, you'll get the accurate temperature. Number 4. 4-piece silicone spatula. Set, a versatile set that's heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe, perfect for baking and cooking. Heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick, stain-resistant, and odor-resistant. Number 5. Magnetic measuring spoons. These magnetic spoons let you use 1 spoon at a time, and then they nest together for easy storage. Quickly grab the spoon you need without having to fumble with opening and closing a ring. They even have US and metric measurement markings that are easy to read and won't fade or rub off. Number 6. 3-in-1 watermelon cutter. A game-changing kitchen gadget designed to simplify your fruit slicing routine. The watermelon cutter consists of a fork, watermelon cutter, and watermelon popsicle cutter. You can easily cut the watermelon into cubes, or use popsicle molds to make watermelon popsicles. The fork is convenient for eating various fruits. Number 7. OXO Good Grips Julienne Prep Peeler. Easily peel precise strips of carrots, cucumber, zucchini, and more. Compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip. Sharp, durable, Japanese stainless steel blades won't rust, and it's dishwasher safe. Number 8. Jalapeno Core Tool. This tool makes pepper coring de-seeding a snap with its unique ribbed scoop-like head, which grips and removes seeds with little effort from you. The serrated edge can be used as a slicer to cut different types of peppers like jalapenos, chilies, banana, green, red and bell peppers. It's made of stainless steel and is 100% dishwasher safe. Number 9. Silicone freezer tray. Super Cube's freezer tray with lid is a versatile tool for food prep and storage. Can be used for soups, stocks, sauces, chicken bone broth, leftovers, chili, spaghetti sauce, or anything you'd like to freeze. Made of food-safe silicone, Soup freezer tray with lid is durable and soft, dishwasher safe, and oven safe. Number 10. Kitchen silicone utensil rest. Our durable utensil rest is affordable and guaranteed to be your cooking partner for years to come. Say goodbye to paper towels and switch to this spatula holder for a squeaky clean counter. With 4 slots, you get enough space to park your cooking utensils and keep them separated when multitasking in the kitchen. These budget-friendly gadgets prove that you don't have to spend a fortune to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. Each of these tools, whether it's a vegetable chopper or a silicone utensil rest, can simplify everyday cooking tasks and help you achieve professional-level results with ease. Head over to the description where you can find the link for each product and equip your kitchen with these must-have gadgets, all for under $20. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more of these, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.